Hi there. Can I help you?
I'm Greg Spiro.
Oh, I know you. You had that show.
We're here to visit the zoo.
Oh, okay. So, yeah. Well, as an official team member of the zoo squad, you get this beautiful team sweater that I'm wearing. And it lets all the people in the zoo know that you are an official zoo keeper person. So, yes, here you go. Suit up, put that on. You might want to take off your jacket and change into shorts because it's really hot outside. So just follow me up to get all that done.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Well, here we are in our kitchen. Remember, our chef's preparing all the food for the animals. Hi, Chef. Someone really knows her name. She is originally from Spain, and here we are in Australia. And I know why she's here, but she's a good worker. Okay. Today we're going to be looking at the wild cat. And here we have a plate of food ready to test for her. We have 2 different types of cookies, a strawberry, a banana, some cheese, and some leaves from some celery. And we're going to test to see what she likes, and that way we can know in the future what to feed her. I have an assignment for you. You are going to see if you can feed the cat these foods by, number 1, you have to capture it. Number 2, you have to find it. Well, you have to find it first, and then you have to capture it. And then you have to make the cat sniff the food. And once it sniffs the food, you must see its reaction and make memory of it. And then you must wait approximately 1.5 minutes between each food testing so that she forgets what you're doing. And another thing, don't eat all the food before I get to her. And one more thing, you have to do it within an hour. So you must get everything in because we have we have customers. We have 2 people coming in an hour, so you must get this done.
Gotcha.
You must go find it though.
Alright. Cat. Can't find the cat. Good work. You found it. Hey, kitty. Gotcha. Ah. Come here, kitty. Oh, gotcha. Don't give me that look. I've got it. Got it this time. I'm gonna feed it the peanut butter cookie first. Here, kitty. You want it? Kitty. You want it? Come on. Take the cookie. There she comes. Videotape her reaction. Hurry. Oh, does she like it? She doesn't have any. No objection to. Next is a strawberry. Allie! I mean, wild cat. She doesn't like it. Next, it's the banana. Allie. Banana. Don't you like the banana? Why don't you like it? Doesn't like the banana. Hi, Sandy, I'm back.
Oh, hey! So did everything turn out okay?
Yes, the cat was great.
Okay. So what food did it like the best?
It liked the cheese the best.
That's interesting. I would have thought it liked the banana the best.
Hated the banana.
Oh, well, okay. Well, now we know to feed the cat, the wild cat, cheese in the future.